Hi guys! So we have this dead space right here and right here, and we need more storage in this home. So what we are planning on doing is that we are going to create a closet right here, and then it's going to close right here, and then this right here is going to be a pantry because we don't have a pantry. So I'm super excited to get more storage here in a brand new pantry here. And we are going to close out this window because there's a room on the other side. So, you know, you can't see anything out the window anyways. So I'm super excited, and I'll show you guys exactly how it looks once it's all done. All right, you guys. So I also want to show you the process of it. We went ahead and we framed everything out. So this is the pantry right here. It's not going to be a huge pantry, but we didn't have a pantry before, so this is great. Now this side over here, we have the closet. As I mentioned, we are going to close that window as well. And then this space that is open right here, it's going to be the doors. But this is really nice because now we can actually see the vision. So let me go ahead and show you how it looks once the doors have been installed. And this is how it's looking so far. So the pantry is almost done. We still have to paint the inside. We do have to add the shelves as well. So it's not fully done yet, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks right now. So over here, we are going to go ahead and add these panels that we have here because it doesn't look too bad like this. But we didn't want it to look like closets. So we wanted to kind of look like it's just a wall and you won't be able to see the closet. So we're gonna go ahead and install this panel over here right over the doors. And it's gonna look like this. I'm super excited to see the final result. Now, this is how it looks on the inside. Let me open the door because we don't have any handles yet. So I gotta open from the bottom over here. So this is how it looks on the inside. It is pretty narrow, but I love the fact that oops, I almost fell on the panels. So I love how we turned this dead space over here into a space that can be used as closet. We already have the vacuum over there just because we wanted to see how tall is going to be here on the wall so we can plan, because we are going to place some shelves here as well. So I'm super excited. I'll show you guys later how everything looks. And here is the final result. Doesn't it look amazing? And we also added the mirror in the little table to the wall because it was just empty before, and now it looks so cute. So this is how the panels turned out. I am super happy with the final result. It doesn't look like a closet at all, and let me tell you, it is narrow, but it holds so many things in there. I added some baskets. I was able to add our travel luggages. I added quite a lot of stuff. It's not fully done and fully organized yet. I think it's going to take me a couple of months to really organize things and figure out the best way to organize everything. So now the handle part was a little bit challenging. My husband had to find this material. I don't really know what it is, but he found it on Amazon and attached to it. And this is how we can open the door. Now for the other side, we are using it to store our vacuums, floor steamers, the attachments, and anything associated with those devices. So it's working out great for it. Like I said, this is not the final organization. There's still quite a lot to organize here. But now let me go ahead and take you to see the pantry. I am so excited about having a pantry, you guys. I've been wanting this for so so long. Now on this wall over here, we decided to add that cute mirror with the table, as I mentioned earlier. But now here is the pantry. We even maximize the space all the way to the top, and then on the bottom I added my mixer and the recycling bin. Overall, I am super happy. We have so much space for our family. It looks really nice. They added a really nice touch to the home. Not to mention, there's more closet. So let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear your opinion. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you have enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.